In this lesson, we will look at while loop. It is Java's most fundamental looping construct. It repeats a single statement or a code block while its condition evaluates to true. It has this syntax. This first syntax repeats a single statement. If you want to repeat more than one statement, use this code block syntax. Remember, in the code blocks and tokens lecture, I told you that code blocks can be used at any place where a single statement can. We used code blocks a lot in if and switch statements we discussed in the previous section. We will use it in loops too. With all the three loops, for while and do while, you will see that we can use code blocks to repeat more than one statement. Okay, coming back to the syntax of while loop. This condition can be any Boolean expression. We call this the body of the loop. The body of the loop will be repeatedly executed as long as the condition is true. Once the condition becomes false, program control will move to the statement immediately after the loop. Let's look at a very simple program to understand the working of while loop. Here, we have declared an int variable I and initialized it to 0. Then we have a while loop. These two statements form the body of our while loop as they are enclosed within this pair of curly braces. One execution of loop body is called an iteration. Let me execute hello while method and get the output of this program. I will bring back the code and then we will walk through the hello while method and try to understand how the while loop generated this output. This first statement of hello while method declares I as an int variable and assigns it a value of 0. After that, program control reaches our while loop. First, the condition of while loop is tested. As I is 0, condition evaluates to true. Program control enters the loop body and executes this println statement, giving us our first output line. Program control moves to the next statement and executes it. This increments value of I to 1. As this is the last statement of loop body, first iteration of while loop completes after executing it. Program control goes back to the beginning of while loop to start the second iteration. Again, the condition of while loop is tested. I is now 1, but it is still less than 3, so condition evaluates to true. Program control enters the loop body, prints this second line of output on the console, and increments I to 2. Second iteration of while loop completes. Program control goes back to the beginning of while loop and tests the condition to see if it can start the third iteration. I is 2, so condition evaluates to true. Again, loop body is executed. Third line of the output showing value of I as 2 is printed to the console. Value of I becomes 3 now and third iteration completes. Program control goes to the beginning of the while loop and tests the condition to see if it can start the fourth iteration. The condition evaluates to false as the value of I is now 3. So fourth iteration is not started and program control moves to this println statement immediately after the while loop. We see the output now you know while loop printed on the console. And with this, execution of the program completes. I hope with this explanation you are now comfortable with the working of while loop. Okay, moving on. In the Introduction to Loops lesson, I talked about entry and exit control loops and said that while loop is an entry control loop. Let's take a closer look at it and try to understand why while loop is an entry control loop. We saw that while loop tests its condition at the beginning of the loop before entering the loop's body. If the condition is false before the first iteration itself, then the body of the loop will not execute even once. I will change this line and initialize I with a value of 4 like this. The while loop should not execute now. Let's confirm this by running the program. As you saw, while loop didn't execute. After initializing I with a value of 4, When program control comes to the while loop for the first time and tests the condition, it evaluates to false. Program control doesn't enter inside the loop's body and goes to the statement after the loop printing "Now you know while loop" to the console. As the condition of while loop controls entry to loop's body, we categorize it as an entry controlled loop.